it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a TJ Maxx slash Ulta haul. Only got one thing from Ulta, but we'll save it for last. But they are having Say No to Drugs Appreciation Week next week at the kids' school. And y'all, I had to get some things, especially for Grace, because you know this is her first year in school, and some of the things they were saying that the kids needed, Grace just did not have. So yeah, I got them in the bag. And I also need to get Grace a coat. Like, I know this is weird, but a coat. She has coats now, like little fleece jackets like what I have on right now. This one from Pink, you know what I'm saying? Little pink action going on with the matching pants. Y'all see that? Pink going all the way down the pants. I love pink. But anyway, so she has little, you know, jackets or whatever. But it got cold a couple days ago, and I was like, ooh, Grace is not ready. She is not together for this weather. So she needed a coat. Everybody else has like a heavy coat except for me, because I really don't want a heavy coat. I'm fine without one. But Grace, I wanted to make sure she had a heavy coat too, so I went ahead and got her one too. Y'all, I was in TJ Maxx for about an hour and a half. So guess what? I do have two come with me's. One's gonna be just Christmas, and then one is gonna be what they have as far as makeup and stuff. But oh my god, like, you can get lost in TJ Maxx. I was there for an hour and a half, and I was like, oh my god, TJ Maxx is so nice. I didn't know it was that nice. I know I used to go to the makeup section. That's where I would focus. Bags, makeup, that's it. But when I finally went through, I'm like, oh my god, there's Calvin Klein. There's Justice for girls there for like $9.99, $7.99. They have Michael Kors, and I actually knew they had Michael Kors because Michael did a TJ Maxx haul and he spent $500 and he loaded up on the Michael Kors stuff, and I was like, ooh, I need to go get my oldest son Justin, clothes from there instead of, you know, getting them from different places like Kohl's and stuff like that. I need to go ahead and take them to TJ Maxx. So I looked at all that. They had armor or something. They had that, like, in everything. They had nice shoes. I mean, I didn't realize TJ Maxx offered so much because I never really focus on all that. I usually just focus on the makeup. So enough talking, because I will talk your ear off, and let's get started. The first thing is the coat. So this is the coat that I got from Miss Grace. It is a little big, she'll grow into. So this will be a coat she can wear next year. That's why I got it a little bit big. That way she can wear it next year as well. The only thing I don't like, it doesn't have a hood, but that's okay because Grace likes to have the scarf and she likes to have the hat. My Grace is so girly, and she gets that from me, and I love it. So I'm gonna get her, you know, the nice hat with maybe some ear muffs, and then, you know, just probably do the ear muffs and all that. I don't know, but it's gonna be cute. But she wanted a pink coat. She said, Mommy, I need a new pink coat. So this is really cute. It's a blush type color. What brand is this? Me Jane is the brand. Never heard of it, but it was only $16.99. The inside is really, really soft. So the material is really nice. So if you're looking to get coats for your kids, you can get it from there. I mean, they have polo coats, they had Michael Kors jackets, but the Michael Kors jacket was only in a 4T, so they didn't have Grace's side, or y'all know. Okay, they had DKNY. I was looking at getting that one, but it was a little thin. I wanted something that would be a little bit thicker, and this just gave me exactly what I was looking for. So I got Grace a coat. Now the appreciation week does start next week, and one of the days are going to be pajama day, and she has summer pajamas, but she doesn't have winter pajamas. So it was time to get her some pajamas. So I went ahead and got these. These are the pants. They are going to be a little long on her, but they do cuff here at the end, so she'll be fine. And here's the shirt. Looks just like that. So it is Frozen. So Grace will have her little Frozen theme going on. It's normally $24 for this set. So normally $24 for this set. I got it for $12.99. I figure a majority of the girls in the class, they're going to have Frozen on because it's what's hot for little girls. So I definitely wanted to make sure that Grace had it as well. The next item that I got, I'm trying to stick with the clothes first. They're going to have for Red Ribbon Week, they call it Red Ribbon Week, saying no to drugs. They're going to have a red day where you have to wear red. And this shirt I thought was so cute. It's Polo Ralph Lauren. It looks just like this, and she has some, is oversized, like extremely oversized, but it's gonna look really cute. And it has the 67 on the side, and I just thought this was really pretty. It says size 10 to 12 kids, so this is a kid shirt. It's gonna be extremely oversized on her, but goodness, I should have got a small size, like seriously. But yeah, I got this for Grace, and I'm gonna pair it with her leggings that are the same color as this blue in here, and it's just gonna be a nice big oversized shirt on her. I'm hoping it slouches some, so I cannot wait for her to wear this. Again, it just says post. I did pick up these pants. Thank you, Michael, for doing that haul. These normally cost $59.50. These are Michael Kors pants. These are for Justin. If y'all don't know, Justin is tall. Justin is almost tall as me. He is a tall kid. So I'm always having to make sure that he has what he needs as far as clothes. He's not big into a whole bunch of jeans. He likes comfy pants like this to wear to school with a nice shirt, and he'll put on his Fortnite jacket. Like, his style is such a football player style. You know how football players, they just be dressed, you know, baggy and comfy and all that. That's his style, and hey, I let him do what he want to do, as long as it's presentable. So these are normally $59.50. I paid $14.99 for these pants, and they got the MK right there for Michael Kors, and they cinch at the bottom like that. They might be a little long, but that's okay because he'll grow into them. But these are going to be really nice for him to wear. Just throw on a white shirt or a gray shirt, and Justin will be good to go. And can the lighting come back? Come back. Okay, there we go. And then one of the days is also going to be a hat day. So Grace doesn't own any hats because I don't buy hats for a 4-year-old. Or for a little girl, period. I don't buy hats, but she needed a hat. So I got this youth hat. It says Adidas. When I tell you my kids are spoiled, this hat is $9.99. So now Grace has a hat. And it says Adidas. And the strap, you know, it can adjust so it'll fit her hair. And Grace has really thick hair, so I didn't really get it for the size around. I got it so her hair would fit, and then I could put her hair in just a one ponytail going to the back, and the hair ponytail coming through here. And I just think it's going to look really cute on cap day, when they have cap day on Friday. But the color is pink black. She is so girly. My daughter is so girly, y'all, and I'm telling you, she gets that from moi. So yeah, I thought this hat was real cute. Can I fit this hat? Y'all, I can. Grace, look, Grace, I can fit this hat. Like, Grace, you can borrow it for that one day. Then mommy's gonna take this. This is a youth hat. This says youth fit. So I'm really gonna have to tighten it for Grace. Hopefully it'll fit on her head. I'll try it on her when she comes in. Because everything for the kids, everything else is mine. They didn't really have much of a selection for Christian, which was a bummer. But Ross has better selection for little boys, in my opinion, than TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna have to go there for him. But Christian, about 2 weeks ago, I bought him a whole, I was gonna say a crap. Can I say crap on this channel? I can't, it's my channel. So I bought him a crap load of stuff a couple weeks ago. So he really doesn't need anything, like cut it. He don't need nothing. But I did get some Jordan skinny syrup. This is 0 calories, 0 sugar sauce in caramel. These are great to get. If you see them, buy them. They're $3.99. It has no carbs, it has no calories, it has no sugars, and this is good for coffees, lattes, cappuccinos, yogurt or oatmeal, protein shakes, and your bacon desserts. So this is really good for my ladies that's trying to lose weight. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to lose all the rest of this, because once this gone, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, period. Like, nobody ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. When this gut gone, y'all ain't even gonna act. I ain't gonna know how to act. I'm gonna be lost in sauce. But yeah, this is the skinny syrups anyway. I got the Cream Shop. This is a makeup sponge, and I thought this was really cute because I need a new makeup sponge. So there's the sponge, and that's the holder for the sponge. And the original price on this is $8, and I only paid $4.99. So I think that was a really good deal. I did get these pants. I thought these were so cute. They even had them on what website was that? Forever 21, and they were high though. These are the Polaroid pants. Like, well, these are the shorts, the biker shorts, and it says Polaroid all through the side, and it says it's compared to $12, and I know it costs more than that for these pants, because I know on Forever 21 they were charging like 30 bucks or something, but I got it for $9.99. This is in an extra large, and these are going to be so cute. And the last item I have right here is a pair of shoes, because I don't own any white shoes or black shoes, none. Like, my shoes are gray, green, lime green, what other colors do I have? I have a lot of gray shoes. I do have a lot of gray shoes. Pink, blue, like all these weird colors and off the wall colors, but I don't have any white or black ones. So when I saw these from BEBE, I had to pick these up. Like, guys, look at these shoes. These are super, super cute. And y'all remember when BEBE was the ish? Who else remembers when BEBE was the ish? I did purchase just one item from Ulta, and this is all Jackie Ina's fault, y'all. All Jackie Ina. She over here did a review on the Florence by Mills line, y'all, and whew, what I tell you, the look was terrible. And she even said it herself, because the makeup was not that good, but there was one item she raved about. She raved about, and if you've seen her video, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. This right here. This is the setting spray. And the setting spray is Zero Chill Face Mist in Rose. So I had to have it. Jackie said, get it, so jacket. Okay. So Jackie was like raving, because she raved hard on this. I had to have it. And this is the packaging. How cute is this packaging? It's super girly. I love the lavender, and like Jackie said, the line is beautiful. Like, the colors are beautiful and it's different and vibrant. But y'all, a lot of that stuff I'm gonna run from. But let me spray it, see if I get a Jackie vibe. Okay, first spray. That smells good. Let me try a little more. I like it. I like it. It's a very fine mist. It's really nice. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, so it'll last me some time. And this is going to look super cute on your vanity. I'm going to get off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little different angle, a little different area. You know, trying something a little different today. So let me know your item that you love the most below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.